Hi, welcome back to Enchantment with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is all the way from Kerala, fish molee. Let's get started. To 500 grams of fish, add a teaspoon of pepper powder, salt according to taste, juice of 1 lime, half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix this well and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Add some coconut oil in a pan and shallow fry the marinated fish. Set aside once done. In a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add some curry leaves. Finely chop 2 inches of ginger. Saute it for a minute. Now add 6 garlic cloves finely chopped and saute it. Now add 4 slit green chilies and saute it. To this add 1 thinly sliced onion and saute till it's translucent. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute it. Now it's time to add the second thin extract of coconut milk. Now add 1 sliced tomato. Now it's time to add the fried fish. Stir carefully so that the pieces do not break. Bring it to a boil and cover and cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, add the juice of 1 lime and add the first extract of coconut milk and add salt according to taste. And just before it starts to boil, switch off and enjoy. Isn't this Kerala recipe so easy to make at home? It's very delicious too. Do give it a try and let me know. Until you meet again, bye. Be enchanted.